In the vast realm of Pasundan, there stood a majestic kingdom known as Al-Irshad, its grandeur resonating across the land. Under the sovereignty of a noble king, accompanied by the revered scroll of wisdom, prosperity graced the realm, and its people reveled in enduring serenity. Yet, the tranquil tapestry of their existence was abruptly shattered by the malevolent force of the dreaded COVID monster. The kingdom's cherished monarch and beloved queen were ruthlessly seized, leaving their subjects stricken with despair. Moreover, the sacred scroll, the beacon of guidance, vanished without a trace. Gloom settled upon the realm, and the flickering embers of hope seemed on the verge of extinguishment. However, amidst the darkened skies of uncertainty, whispers began to circulate in the year 2023. Tales emerged proclaiming that the king had been sighted in a faraway eastern land known as Yogyakarta. Like a clarion call to arms, these news roused the valiant knights of the kingdom from their despondency. Clad in armor and wielding their noble swords, they set forth on a courageous quest to confront the ominous stronghold of darkness where the monstrous fiends resided. Leading this formidable charge against the forces of evil was the inimitable General Deden, a stalwart beacon of valor and unwavering resolve.
In this hour of darkness, I summon each and every knight of AIS Satya to arise and step forth, for it is upon us to embark on a quest of utmost importance. Our mission to rescue our beloved sovereign from the clutches of wickedness. Gather your strength, don your armor, and brace yourself, for a perilous battle awaits us. The clash of sword, the thunder of hooves, and the fervor of our heart shall echo through the fields of our kingdom. Who among you, courageous knight, shall answer this clarion call? Stand firm, draw your blades, and let your valor shine brightly. Together, we shall reclaim our king and restore order to our once proud land. Will you ride forward with me?